The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine.
Militer Rusia merilis informasi terbaru operasi khusus di Ukraina Kamis tanggal 19 Mei. Rudal berbasis udara presisi tinggi dari Angkatan Udara Rusia mengenai 7 pos komando, termasuk pos komando Brigadi Infanteri Bermotor ke-24 Ukraina di Nikolaevka dan Brigadi Pertahanan Teritorial ke-104 di Konstantinovka, serta 11 rudal dan gudang senjata dan amunisi artileri di dekat Bahmut, Konstantinovka, Ilinka dan Minkovka dari Republik Rakyat Donetsk. Juga menghantam 26 area konsentrasi tentara dan peralatan militer Ukraina. Gudang peralatan sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300 di dekat Bolshye Lomzaki, wilayah Nikolaev, dan 1 battalion SAM Buk-M1 di dekat Slavyanogorsk, Republik Rakyat Donetsk, telah dihancurkan, kata juru bicara militer Rusia Majen Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur Jumat hari ini.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. In the past 24 hours, 771 militants of the Azov nationalist unit have surrendered at the blockaded Azovstal plant in Mariupol. A total of 1,730 militants have surrendered since May 16th, including 80 wounded. All those in need of inpatient treatment are treated in medical facilities in the Donetsk People's Republic, in Novoazovsk and Donetsk. During the day, high-precision air-based missiles of the Russian Aerospace Forces have hit 7 command posts, including the command posts of the 24th Ukrainian Motorized Infantry Brigade in Nikolaevka and the 104th Territorial Defense Brigade in Konstantinovka, as well as 11 missile and artillery weapons and ammunition depots near Bakhmut, Konstantinovka, Ilyinka and Minkovka of the Donetsk People's Republic, and 26 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. 1 S-300 anti-aircraft missile system battalion near Bolshye Lomzaki, Nikolaev Region, and 1 Buk-M1 SAM battalion near Slavyanogorsk, Donetsk People's Republic have been destroyed. Operational tactical and army aviation have hit 2 command posts, as well as 58 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 340 nationalists and up to 62 armored and motor vehicles. Missile troops and artillery have hit 6 command posts, 295 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, 43 Ukrainian artillery and motor units at firing positions, and 2 radio-electronic warfare stations. Russian air defense means have shot down 15 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles, including 1 Bayraktar TB2 near Volchye Yar, Borshovka, Velikie Khutara, Malye Prokhody, Snezhkovka and Petrovska in Kharkov region, and Chernobyevka and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. In addition, 12 Ukrainian Smersh multiple launch rockets have been intercepted near Topolskaya, Malaya Kamyshevacha, Semenovka, Shpakovka, Glinskaya, Snezhkovka in Kharkov region, and Chernobyevka in Kherson region. In total, 172 Ukrainian aircraft and 125 helicopters, 942 unmanned aerial vehicles, 313 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,158 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 395 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,562 field artillery and motors, as well as 3,026 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!